Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRXC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day today. It started off as a gap and trap, and then definitely bounced very nicely. Real quick, maybe if you're new to charts, what do I mean by gap and trap? Well, on Thursday, the price closed right there. This morning, the price opened up there, hence the gap and a gap up. And then as soon as the market opened, there were some poor souls that bought up there, and then the price just totally trapped all the way down there. So a gap and trap. But this is also what makes it very interesting is after that nasty movement, there was a very, very respectable bounce back to the upside. And that is what makes this level now going into next week so important, right here at 35 cents. So why is 35 important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just for explanation's sake, let's say that the price comes back down, gets to 35, and then just continues on down. At that point, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price back inside of that range where it was flirting with those lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength or true power or anything like that. On the flip side, maybe the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, then begins to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to show signs of progress. And once again, quote unquote progress in this situation being defined as 35 cents. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, the level here that really stands out to me is this resistance trend line right there, which if you were to take out that data point with a gap up today, everything else has really respected this trend line as an area of resistance, including the final 30 minutes of the day. So keep an eye on that, and if the price can get a good high volume break of that trend line, then at that point, 44 cents and potentially even beyond looks quite realistic. So we'll see what happens with it, but yeah, no doubt about it, very nice bounce. So let's see if the price can build upon the momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.